In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for e-signature in Pandadoc. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Pandadoc account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. Look there for the option labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start the process of turning any file into a signable document. Once the new document window opens, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to create it. For this workflow, select Select File. This lets you upload a document from your computer or from a connected storage service, depending on what you have set up. Choose the file that needs to be signed and confirm the upload. Give it a moment to process. Pandadoc will convert it into an editable, signable document. After the file loads, you'll move into the Recipients section. Here, click on Add Recipients. This is where you specify who needs to sign the document. Enter the email address for each signer carefully, since this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. If you have multiple signers, add them all here and make sure each one is correctly labeled as a signer. When you're done adding recipients, click Continue to move on. Next, you'll see your document laid out with a panel on the right that contains different fields. From that right panel, drag a signature field onto the document and drop it in the exact spot where the signer needs to sign. If you have more than one signer, assign each signature field to the appropriate recipient, so Pandadoc knows who signs where. Take a moment to position the field clearly so it's obvious to the signer what they need to do. When your fields are in place, click Review and Send. This brings you to a final check screen. Here, you'll be asked to enter a document name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later. Then click Continue again. Now you'll see the email preview that will be sent to your recipients. This is where you type your email message. You can briefly explain what the document is and if there are any deadlines or special instructions. Keep it concise but clear so the signer knows exactly what to expect. Once everything looks good, click Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients a secure link to review and sign the document electronically, and you'll be able to track the status right from your dashboard.